Hi, it's Magdalena from Email Octopus, and today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page. Landing pages are standalone web pages that include a sign-up form where people can subscribe to your list. They are always connected to a specific list, so to create one, you'll need to pick one of your lists first. Then go to the Forms tab, choose Landing Pages, and create a landing page. First, select a template for your landing page. You can drag and drop elements from the Content tab into the template and move them around. To add more fields to your form, click on it within the editor and pick fields you'd like to include. You can create more fields within your list under the Fields tab. I already have some additional ones I created beforehand, so I'm going to add them to my form. Then you can choose whether a field will be regular or hidden, required or optional. You can also choose a placeholder and a label for every field. In the Style tab, you can change the background image, color, and default font settings. In the Settings tab, you can choose the URL of your landing page. Here you can only choose this end of the URL. To change the account domain, you'll need to go to your account settings. Account domain, so this part, is the same for every landing page you create. Within the settings, you can also pick the message displayed after subscribing or redirect your contacts to a different page instead. You can also add SEO and analytics details so that you can track your landing page's performance. You can create unlimited landing pages for each of your lists. This comes in handy if, for example, you're running a promotion or need to track signups from a specific lead magnet. Once you're happy with how your landing page looks, you can publish it or save it as a draft to keep editing later on. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give landing pages a go. Thanks for watching and see you next time.